Yesterday, I wrote this lesson and then I sent it to the Japanese editor, and a few hours later, I got a message back saying, "What lesson?" Because it didn't save after I wrote it. Friends, do you find yourself putting your top teeth on your bottom lip when you try to make that h sound in Japanese? Because we say things like Mount Fuji in English. Well, if you're talking to a native speaker of Japanese, chances are they are not touching their bottom lip with their top teeth when they make that sound, and the sound they make is closer to an H sound. I would even go so far as to say that your Japanese will sound more natural if you avoid ever making an F sound and stick to making an H sound. So it's not Mount Fuji, it's Mount Fuji. And that had nothing to do with the topic of this video. So what might you say when you're just so frustrated? You might say, もう最悪。発音どう？もう最悪。もう最悪。もう最悪。もう最悪。Okay? This sentence is just two words. We've got mo and then saiaku. And mo can mean already or something like that. But in this case, it means something along the lines of come on when you're frustrated. And saiaku means the worst. So come on, the worst. It's like saying this is the worst. You'll notice that I had some trouble pronouncing it just the way I wanted to. So I went and had Rei record the sentence, and now we can hear how she would say it.
もう最悪。
もう最悪. And sometimes if I have a recording like this, I'll open it up in an audio program like this is Audacity and just select it and then press shift and play, and I'll play it on repeat a bunch of times in a row.
もう最悪。もう最悪。もう最悪。
Or you can use what's called a macro to create a track in which that sentence is repeated over and over again, and then put it on your headphones, go for a walk, and it will soon be deep in your brain where you cannot forget it. I'll type this sentence and its translation and put it in the description, and I'll also put a link to where you can download every sentence from every video that I've made so far.